Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make Nigerian puff puff. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please do hit the subscription button down below. And if you want to see how I make this, then you definitely want to keep on watching. For the ingredients, we're going to be making use of sugar, instant yeast, our salt, nutmeg, as well as our dry flavor, and of course our flour. In a clean bowl, measure in 4 cups of flour. Here you want to make sure your flour levels down in order to avoid an additional cup. After that, add half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of milk flavor, and of course a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. After that, you want to mix well to combine. Make sure you mix it very well to combine. After mixing it very well, you want to create a well in between, and then you add your water gradually. Because you don't want it to get too soggy, add your water in bits and mix gently. So now you want to add your water gradually. Make sure you add your water gradually so it doesn't get too soggy. Just take your time. Add your water gradually and mix, mix until you get your desired texture. Mind you, make sure it is not too thick, neither too soft. Make sure it is in between. So at the end of the day, if you make use of this quantity, you should be using 2.5 cups of water. Make sure you don't overmix your batter. After mixing, cover up with a lid. You can make use of a foil or a towel. Make sure you cover it up very well and then you key it very well with your cover. After covering up, allow to rest for 30 minutes. That is if you're going to be using warm water. But if you're using cold water, you need to allow it to rest for about 1.5 hours. So guys, here is after 30 minutes. Wow, now we have a full bowl of butter. Now, can we fry already? To fry, you want to make sure you oil your hands with some oil. Oil your hands very well so it doesn't get sticked to your hands. Now you want to start scooping with your 4 fingers. Make sure you make use of your 4 fingers so it doesn't get messy. Now, scoop the batter off and then fold, then release it. Scoop it, fold, and release. So now you want to oil your pan, add some oil, and then allow the oil to heat up. Not too much, allow it to heat up to some certain level, and now you want to fry on medium heat, guys. Now look at it critically here. Scoop your batter, fold, and then you release into the oil. Just practice it gradually. Scoop, fold, and release. Now there are 2 sides to this. You can make use of the part I'm using here, and you can make use of the other part. You can make use of the front part and you can make use of the other side of your hands. Now you see I've started using the other side of my hand. Either way is convenient for me, so you can choose the one that's convenient for you and just feel free. We are cooking. Make sure to keep a close eyes on it so it doesn't burn. Once it cooks a while, make sure you turn to the other side. Keep flipping it to the other side until that is golden brown. Now our puff puff is ready. Take it off the pan and allow the oil to drain off. Looking how yummy! Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. I'll see you in my next one.